allá de lo físico. Por eso me pongo romántico, aunque en la cama quiere que me ponga explícito. No sé si es sarcástico.
Welcome back to my channel. It's ThatGirlRAIZA, that girl all together, R-A-I-Z-A Riza, and you can follow me on Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Today's look is very colorful. It was chosen by my followers. I posted on my Instagram stories and Facebook stories. I posted 2 eyeshadow palettes, 1 color, 1 neutral. I also posted 2 sets of lashes. One a little more natural basic and one more fluffy. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this look today, then keep on watching. Thank you. Bye. Jumping into voiceover, check out my nails, my little Halloween nails. And I already have my brows. This is the eyeshadow palette we will be using today, and this is the lashes. I love these. Now I'm going to prep my eyes with the P. Louise eyeshadow base, and I've never used this eyeshadow base before, but I actually really loved it. It just smooths everything, and you just gotta blend, and I look like the IG girls, okay? So now we're going into the blue. Now this eyeshadow look is gonna look quite scary for the most part of this video, but trust the process, confía. So ahora tengo un reguero de azul, eso está bien. Luego vamos a ir con el negro para profundizar. I want to get some depth. So you see how that gives dimension a little bit there. Ahora quiero que vean que cambia una brocha más pequeña para difuminar the inner corner of my eye, because I'm going for a halo look, a spotlight eyeshadow look, if you would call it. Now, I noticed, me gustó mucho colocarme un poquito del violeta sobre el negro, y eso le da como un shift of color. Oh my God, when I did this, I was just like, oh yes, this is what it is. Now I'm going with this neon green eyeliner for Urban Decay, and I'm gonna create my halo or my spotlight of my eyeshadow. And I'm gonna press this lime green eyeshadow right over that eyeliner. So el eyeliner es la base que utilicé para esta sombra verde. So I'm just gonna pack it on. Quiero crear el color que se vea bien neón. So no lo ven aquí, pero fui varias veces entre el liners y la sombra y el difuminado y volverlo otra vez, añadir los colores. And you just blend and blend and blend until you feel comfortable. So I wanted to create a wavy spotlight for my halo, como cuando la luz brilla en el mar. Esa forma es lo que quería en mis ojos. Aquí me voy a desmaquillar con un poquito de cold cream and a Q-tip, just to get the skin ready for laying the makeup. And here you see everything is sharpened and clean. Ahora, this is the primer I'm gonna be using today, the Wonder Glow, and look at the skin glow. It's a wonderful thing. I love this primer, honestly. Let's get the skin looking perfect with my NARS concealer. This concealer has great coverage. I'm also gonna use my Studio Fix foundation, MAC family in the house. You already know what it is. And I'm also going to add extra highlight with my Fenty Beauty concealer. Now I'm only gonna do this in certain areas because this concealer is a little bit light, but I want that lightness underneath the eye. So here I'm contouring with a little bit of bronzer slash contour, nothing crazy. And I'm gonna create the same halo shape on my lower lash line with the green eyeliner and a little bit of black on the edges, as you can see there. And I added some silver in my inner corner from the palette as well. And boom, lashes, honey, lashes, lashes. Ooh, girl, look at her. Okay, so now I'm going to apply blush. And I will tell you, antes a mí no me gustaba el blush, ahora el blush me encanta. Mira, mira, mira cómo me siento con el blush. Mira la mirada, cómo intensifica. Yes, yes. So this is basically the look I came up with. I had no idea what kind of eyeshadow look I was going to do. I just wanted to use as many colors as possible from the palette. So I am really happy how the eyeshadow look came out looking. I think it's bold, I think it's colorful, I think it calls attention. I still felt like it needed something, so I put some glitter in my crease. Then I went in with this e.l.f. mint color eyeliner just to make that pop. Look at that pop. I'm all about the layers and the little details that will elevate and complete my eyeshadow look. So I completed the inner corner with some blue glitter, and here we go.
Quiere que le dé con el látigo. Dicen que el mundo va a acabarse y eso es bíblico. Así que porfa llega